In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more color options in Google Calendar. If you're looking to add a splash of variety to your planning process, or simply want to differentiate between various calendars, this guide will show you how you can achieve that effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're at your computer because the method we're about to go through is specifically for the desktop version. Open up Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you've got Google Calendar loaded, take a glance at the left side of the screen. There, you should see an area labeled My Calendars. If you're familiar with Google Calendar, you'll know that this section lists all the calendars you're currently managing or subscribed to. Now here's the trick. Move your mouse over any one of your calendars. Hovering over a specific calendar will prompt a few icons to appear to the right of its name. One of these icons will be the three vertical dots, also known as the settings menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. This is where the magic begins. Once you click on that menu, you'll be presented with a palette of several standard colors. Generally, you'll find somewhere between 12 to 24 colors, depending on which version or update you have. These are the default shades that you can quickly apply to your calendar. If you're satisfied with one of these, it's as simple as clicking on your chosen color, and it will update accordingly. However, if you're looking for something a bit more personalized, perhaps a color that's not part of the standard palette, don't worry, there's a way to create a custom hue. Below the palette, you should notice a small plus sign. Click on this plus sign, and it will open up a field where you can input a hex code. For those not familiar with hex codes, these are 6-digit codes that represent colors in a web-friendly format. If you know the hex code of your desired color, you can simply type it in. Alternatively, you can use an online color picker tool to find and copy the hex code for any color you like. Once you've entered your hex code, confirm it, and voila, your custom color should now appear in your calendar. And there you go. You've just expanded the color possibilities in your Google Calendar, making it a bit more vibrant and tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're using it to keep track of work, personal activities, or special events, these added color options can help you visually organize your schedule in more effective ways. Experiment with different colors and see how they impact your organizational habits. This little change can make a big difference in how you perceive and manage your time. Thanks for watching and happy planning!